What's up guys, and welcome to Apple Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, you're learning how to charge your GoPro Hero 9 battery or batteries. Now the Hero 9s come with significantly larger batteries, but even those need to be charged every now and then. Now the first method is to charge the battery inside the GoPro Hero 9. Now for this one, all you need to do is slide open the battery chamber door, which is on the left hand side of the GoPro with the lens facing you. There's a little bump at the end of that door that helps you just to hold it and slide it down to open that door, just like that. Now into the battery chamber, you'll find the battery, and then you'll also see the USB-C port that you can use to charge your battery. Now find the USB-C cable that came with the GoPro and plug it into the USB-C port on the GoPro and the other end to a power source. And you should see a continuous red light at the front of the screen indicating that your battery is charging, and it's going to charge for probably about 3 hours before it's full and that light goes out. Now the fastest way to charge the battery inside the GoPro is by switching off your GoPro and just letting it charge, and that way it's going to charge as quickly as possible. But if you want to use your GoPro as it charges, then you're free to do so as well. All you need to do is pop open that door and plug in the USB-C cable into the port, leave the door open, switch on your GoPro, and continue using your GoPro as it charges. So that's the first method, charging the battery inside the GoPro. Now you don't have to use the GoPro to charge your batteries. If you have spare batteries, or if you don't really want to use your GoPro to charge your battery, you can pick up an external GoPro battery charger. Now there's one official one from GoPro which charges 2 batteries at a go. And while this one is GoPro's official offering, I personally don't really like it because it has a shorter case, which means it doesn't really protect your batteries, and it also charges 2 batteries at a time. I would want more, to be honest. So for this one, the best alternative I would recommend is this Atman quick charger for your GoPro Hero 9. It charges up to 3 batteries at the same time. It's a quick charger, and it's also a full case that closes at the top with a magnetic lid that protects your batteries as it charges them. So that for me is the best alternative for an external GoPro Hero 9 battery charger. Anyway, those are the 2 main ways of charging your GoPro battery. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links to those external battery chargers down in the description below, together with other links that might be of use to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.